Imagine a world where emergency services are disrupted, where a simple phone call to 911 goes unanswered. What could possibly lead to such a catastrophic situation? Well, let's dive into a chronicle of events that led up to just such an incident. It all began on a Wednesday night when emergency service systems tied to 911 went offline. Suddenly, parts of Nevada, Nebraska, Texas, and the entire state of South Dakota were left in the dark. An invisible thread linking citizens to their lifelines was abruptly severed, and the cause remained a mystery. That is, until the culprit was finally revealed. As it turned out, this crippling outage had something to do with the installation of a light pole, which severed a fiber line. That's right, a light pole was all it took to bring crucial emergency services to a halt in multiple states. It's a stark reminder of just how fragile our interconnected systems can be. The provider at the center of this incident was Lumen, a communications service provider that handles cloud services for 911 systems. They admitted to the outage but remained mum on the details. How could a light pole installation in one location cause such widespread disruption? That's a question that remains unanswered. This wasn't the first time a disruption of this magnitude had occurred. In fact, just a few years prior in 2024, tens of thousands of AT&T customers experienced cellular service issues due to a software bug. This led to 911 center disruptions across the US, and AT&T was forced to apologize for the outage. And then there was the case in Texas, where millions faced a crisis due to a failing electrical grid and disrupted communications networks. Over 300,000 wireless subscribers and over 33,000 residents lost access to essential communication services. It was a disaster that was attributed to a lack of investment in natural gas reserves and infrastructure weatherproofing, despite warnings issued a decade ago. These incidents highlight the importance of regulatory oversight and investment in emergency preparedness. They show us that our reliance on technology can also be our downfall if not managed properly. In conclusion, the disruption of emergency services can have far-reaching impacts, from isolated rural areas to bustling metropolitan cities. The fragility of our connected systems is a significant concern that requires immediate attention. The question isn't if another outage will occur, but when. It is clear that the need for regulatory oversight and public interest rules in the telecommunications industry is more crucial than ever to ensure public safety.